Hello, my name is Biljana and as a Mohanđi Acharya, I have attended a lot of programs with Mohanji, both in physical space and online. Especially Connect with Yourself last year stayed in my memory because there were two new processes, one of which was connecting deeply with myself and visiting a space where we usually don't go to. This is the place within us and place of total fulfillment. I felt when we were slowly going within that I'm completely in my head and then in my skull, and suddenly I was in some kind of area of bright light and super intense bliss. I can't describe how compassionate and fulfilling that was. This was pure nectar, the space where I wanted to stay forever. When the process was over and when we were slowly going back to senses, I didn't feel like going back at all. It was too good to go back to these senses and this physical three-dimensional world. So we can always go to that space deep within us. It is not outside of us, it is within us, and reach this fulfillment, reach this total freedom from all fears and all negativities. Thank you.